Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram message Unsend not working. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. At times what happens is that you've already unsent a message from your site. However, you can still see it, but the recipient might not be able to see it because it already has been deleted. So for that, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Next, head over to your Play Store. Then at the top search bar, type in Instagram. If you see any updation button here, select update. For the next step, head over to your settings application, scroll all the way below, tap on apps, search for Instagram, type in Instagram, then you will see your application, open it. Let's go ahead and clear some cache, select storage, clear the cache here. Lastly, select force stop, then select OK. Now, once you have done everything, restart your device, launch your Instagram, try again, and it will definitely work. Thank you for watching.